In this video, we'll introduce Lemonade Server, an open source project that easily enables you to run LLMs locally. The beauty of Lemonade Server is its compatibility with a vast array of existing AI applications, including OpenWebUI, Microsoft AI Dev Gallery, and Continue, all allowing you to integrate local LLMs without any coding. In this video, we'll show how you can get your brand new laptop running models like this in minutes. This is using the state-of-the-art mixture of experts model with 30 billion total parameters and 3 billion active. It's running 100% local on an AMD Strix Halo mini PC. Lemonade Server is a server interface that uses the standard OpenAI API, allowing applications to integrate with local large language models. This means that you can easily replace cloud-based LLMs with private and free models that run locally on your own PC's NPU and GPU. Lemonade Server is available as a standalone installer or as a part of the Lemonade SDK. Local LLM servers are a popular way of deploying LLMs directly to client hardware. A few famous examples include Ollama, Llama CPP server, and Docker Model Runner. The local server process loads the LLM into memory and exposes it to client software for handling requests. All LLM servers, cloud or local, adhere to an application program interface or API. This API lets the application make requests to the server software. Lemonade Server uses the popular standard from OpenAI. This allows applications written in any language to easily integrate with LLMs using Lemonade Server because it is language agnostic. What this means is that a huge library of pre-existing OpenAI apps will work out of the box. For more information on local servers, visit the URL shown here and found in the video description. Lemonade Server provides access to two inference engines. OGA provides you with access to the Ryzen AI NPU, and Llama.cpp provides access to the universal GGUF model format, GPU support, and features such as vision language models and mixture of experts. To get started, navigate to the Lemonade Server website shown in the link here. For Linux installation, click on the Developer Setup button, which will open a page where you can select what options or hardware you'd like to use, and then provides the corresponding installation command. For easy Windows installation, click the yellow download button to get the latest release. You may need to tell your browser that this file is safe to keep. Click Open File to run the installer. Step through the installer, selecting any of the recommended models to download and then click Install. Once installation completes, click Run Lemonade Server and select Run at Startup to ensure Lemonade Server starts when your PC reboots. You can also start the server by using the lemon icon on your desktop. When the Lemonade Server is running, you can see a lemon icon in your system tray. From here, you can load any of the downloaded models, change the port number, access docs, the LLM chat feature, the model manager, or the log window. If we click on the Model Manager, it opens a window where we can view the list of installed and suggested models. To download a model, click on the plus button. There is also the option to add your own model. Let's try adding Quen 3. We'll enter the information in the fields, providing the model name and checkpoint from Hugging Face, and then click Install. If I run into an error, I can use the lemon icon in the tray to show the logging information. The error states that I need to provide the specific variant of the model. Let's add the file name as it is on Hugging Face and try again. Perfect! Now we see the window showing us that the model is installing. Now that I've downloaded some models, let's try prompting the LLM using the LLM chat feature. Wow, that was fast. Next, we can prompt an even larger model and check out how the reasoning model outputs some Python code. Compared to standard LLMs, reasoning models are designed to break complex problems into smaller tasks. It then simulates logical steps or patterns through layered computations to generate a coherent and contextually appropriate output. This is what the thinking portion is. Let's try a quick math equation. Lastly, let's try using a hybrid model that uses a combination of the Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, for the prefill phase, and the Integrated GPU, or iGPU, for token generation. If we open the Task Manager, we can see both the NPU and iGPU being utilized. By using both the NPU and iGPU, we get the best acceleration. For this next example, I'll use an even longer input prompt so that we can really see the utilization. And there we have it! A plethora of LLMs running locally on our brand new Ryzen AI 395 Plus mini PC. From the web app, you can easily reach your favorite applications that work with Lemonade. Each one is linked to a guide that describes the setup instructions. As well, you can access the GitHub repo to view the source code and access the full Lemonade SDK. You'll also find a link to the documentation site, which guides you through integrating Lemonade Server into your app. The Models page provides details on recommended models. And the Featured Apps page highlights tested applications with step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching this video on Lemonade Server. To get started, navigate to the URL shown here and provided in the video description. Try adding it into your own application and let us know about it at lemonade@amd.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to see future content.